Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ashanti, and if you're not new here, welcome back. So I was just chilling in my room and I figured it's been a while since I filmed a video. I've been getting some other things together and I've also been busy working. So I had some free time and I figured why not film a video. So I wanted to do a video because it's summertime and we are all traveling, going different places, so you definitely want luggage and you definitely want some cute luggage. So I found a really cute luggage set at TJ Maxx. Each piece was individually priced and I have information right here with the tags, and you're also going to see it in the actual detailed me giving you my first impressions of it. But the larger piece of luggage was $63 and the smaller carry-on size was $59.99, which was a really great deal for this brand, and the brand is Calpak, and these are the actual tags off the luggage. This, I guess, collection is the Mai collection. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's spelled M-A-I-E, and if I can find the link for this luggage, if they still sell it, I will definitely put it down below. I don't think they do, but if I can find it on Google or wherever, I will share that link with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing what I think of this luggage and the detailed description, ins and outs of everything, keep on watching. Hey y'all, so this is the luggage that I purchased from TJ Maxx. I got this luggage maybe about a month or two ago now. And I purchased it from TJ Maxx, and just to give you all the pricing information, it's actually two pieces of luggage. The smaller size carry-on is inside this bigger luggage piece. And just to give you guys an overview of it, it is a rose gold color. It has the spinning wheel, so it spins 360 degrees. It is by Calpak. Here is the handle here. And it's really nice. It's the hard case, like plastic style luggage, which I was really interested in trying out. The luggage I had before this was just my parents' luggage that I borrowed whenever I traveled, and it was just like your standard fabric type heavy duty material. But I really was interested in trying really cute plastic hard case luggage. When I picked this up from TJ Maxx, this one was already scuffed here, but they did discount the price for me just by a few dollars. This was the original price, $69.99 for the large piece, and they marked it down to $63 for me, which was really nice. And the smaller piece of luggage was $59.99. So it was a really great deal for this two-piece set. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you what the smaller one looks like and all the details and stuff inside. I don't have too much space to work with here, but I did take the smaller one out. This one I have actually already used. I've traveled with this one on my last flight, and of course, you know, dealing with TSA and people who put your luggage on the plane, it's gonna get scuffed up. That's unavoidable, but I mean, it's not that bad. They just kind of scratched it up here, so like some of the colored plastic is like peeling off, but it's whatever. It's luggage. It's gonna get beat up, but you know, it's still cute. It still does what it needs to do. What I really do like about this luggage is that it comes with the TSA approved lock system. So if they have to get into your luggage, they can unlock it themselves with like a special key they have. They just have to insert their key into here. If it focuses and y'all can see it, they just have to insert their key into here, and it unlocks your luggage without them having to break any of your locks off or anything like that. So you just have to set your own combination, and the little zippers, let me bring them back up. Well, I can show you on this one. The zippers are actually made to lock into little slots here. So like when you zip your luggage and say you're ready to go, it just locks into place like that. So you don't have to worry about it. And then you just kind of spin your combination and it locks into place. So yeah, it's really neat, really convenient. So like I said, this one is the full size. And another thing I really liked about this luggage and what I was wanting is that it comes with two divided sections. which is perfect for like if you want to pack your shoes on one side and pack your clothes on the other, so you don't have to deal with your shoes coming into contact with your clothes, which is like a little pet peeve of mine. I don't like my dirty shoes touching my clean clothes. So yeah, it's really cool. Or you can always just unzip here at the bottom right here, unzip that part, and you can stick your shoes in this underneath this other layer right here. You can put your shoes into there, or you can just lay them on top of there, or you can always use dust bags to put your shoes in. And they are both fully expandable, so you get like at least, I would say this is like 1.5 inches of extra, you know, deepness for the suitcase, which is perfect. Like, I definitely feel like this luggage could pack at least a month's worth of clothes if you know how to pack. For myself, you know, I could pack maybe, well, I won't say just 1 week or 2 of clothes. I could probably get a month's worth of clothes in here if I really tried. But anywho, it comes with a zipper clear case here, so you could put toiletries in here or anything like that, and it is also removable. It just snaps off right here, and you can re-snap it into place. Really cool that it has the zippered compartment here as well, and that it also has a zipper here for like if you want to put anything there. A mesh zippered pocket here, mesh zippered pocket, okay, tongue twister, and also 2 slots right here, so you can also stick shoes into here or any other little things like that. Okay, and now for the carry-on size, this was able to hold quite a good amount of clothing and shoes as well. Let me unzip this one for you and show you what's inside. So when I open this one up, it basically has the same setup as the other luggage, just not as big, which is good because it's like the perfect size for carry-on purposes and to pack just a little bit more with you. So it has the zipper here, and when I took this with me, I actually did pack my shoes inside of this part. And I had like my toiletry bag in here and like my jewelry little things in here, and maybe just some other small things in there, and everything just fit so good into this suitcase. I was very impressed and very glad that I was able to get this for such a great deal from TJ Maxx. And it also has the same setup as the larger one with the zipper on this side, as well as the little clothing. It's like to compress the clothing down. And it also has another clear case for the small one as well. But the cool thing about the small carry-on is that you're able to put your portable battery in here for your phone, which is really cool. You can put that in there. And at the top, I'll show you guys, but the cord connects in here, so you can put your portable battery into this clear case. And then at the top of the luggage, it actually has where you can plug in your phone. So you can like charge your phone or any other device, like 2 devices at one time if you needed to, which is really, really cool, especially in airports, because you never know if there's going to be a plug free around you or whatever, or how much time, or if you'll have enough time to actually charge your device or whatever. So you can just plug it into your suitcase. Like, how cool is that? So yeah, I'm very impressed with this luggage. I know Calpak does have, because I actually tried to find this luggage on their website just to compare and see all the features before making this purchase. Luckily, I was able to do that and then actually go back into the store and find this still there waiting for me. But yes, so I checked them out online, and they had rose gold luggage set, but they did not have the one with the black trim on it like this one. I think it was just completely rose gold, which was actually one that I was looking at previously, which made me kind of want to buy this one when I actually saw it in TJ Maxx. I was like, ooh, I've seen that rose gold luggage before. It just was a different style, or they had like a rose gold luggage and it was just completely rose gold, and that kind of inspired me to get this set. So I really do like it and definitely recommend it. just from personal experience. Packing everything into this one was so easy and so convenient. And I'm the type of person who, like, if I can take my carry-on bag with me and let that be it, then that's perfectly fine with me, because I don't like to take too much baggage with me, not unless I absolutely need it. And I'm always like the first one to volunteer at the gate for for checking my bag if I don't want to take it onto the plane. And you can always do that for free. So that's just another perk if you all didn't know about that. But yes, I definitely recommend this luggage. I'll probably try to do a pack with me. Maybe the next time I go on vacation or something, get a video out to you guys showing you all how I pack my luggage and like little tips and tricks and techniques that I use that could probably be helpful to you guys. So until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. So overall, I was very impressed by the luggage. Not only do I love the color of it, but I love that you can put so much into it because I pack a lot of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell too, so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.